Hi students, this is 10th Maths, Chapter 3 Algebra, Exercise 3.7. First question, find the square root of the following. First subdivision, 400 x power 4 y power 12 into z power 16 divided by 100 into x power 8 into y power 4 into z power 4. Want to write square root of this? Right. So 400 can be written as 20 into 20. So among the 220, 120 is square root of 400. How to find the square root of x power 4? Half of the power. So x power, the square root of x power 4 is x square. Square root of y power 12 is y power 6. Square root of z power 16 is z power 8 divided by square root of 100 is 10 into 10 only 100. Among the two 10, 110 is square root of 100. So 10 into x power 8. The square root of x power 8 is x power 4. Y power 4 is y square. Z power 4 is z square. Therefore, square root of 400 x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 divided by 100 into x power 8 y power 4 z power 4 square. Write the square root symbol. Now 400 can be written as 20 into 20 x power 4 into x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 divided by 10 into 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10 x power 8 into y power 4 into z power 4 square root of. Among these two 20, 120 is square root of 400. So 20, now don't write the square root symbol. For x power 4, square root of x power 4 is x square. Y power 12 is half of the power is 6. So y 6 is square root of y power 12. Z power 16, half of the power. Half of 16 is 8. Divided by, among these two 10, right? Only one 10. X power 8, square root of x power 8 is x power 4. Square root of y power 4 is y square. Square root of z power 4 is z square. Now cancel this 0, 0 get cancelled. How to cancel this x square and then divided by x power 4. Subtract the smaller power from this greater power. So remaining terms, this 2 in numerator, here only greater power, so x square. X term over, here y power 6, y square, here only greater power, so subtract this 2 and write in numerator, so y power 4. Y term also over, here z square, in numerator z power 8, this is greater power, therefore answer is z power 8 minus 2 is 6. Therefore, square root is equal to, write in modulus, 2 into, write the variables only in modulus, y power 6, y power 4 into z power 6 divided by x square. So square root of the given term is 2 into modulus of y power 4 into z power 6 divided by x square. Now exercise 3.7, question number 1, find the square root of the following. Second subdivision, 7x square plus 2 into root of 14 into x plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 16. This is a quadratic expression in terms of x. So find the factors. For numerator, multiply these two, coefficient of x square and constant term first. 7 2s are 14. Here, coefficient of x is 2 into root 14. This is multiplicative factor. This is additive factor. This are plus, this also plus. Plus plus means both the factors are plus, so 2 sevens are 14. Here multiplicative factor is 14. Here additive factor is 2 into root 14. How to get this 14? Root 14 into root 14 is 14. Root 14 into root 14 is 14. Here 1 root 14, here 1 root 14, totally 2 root 14. Now coefficient of x square is 7. So divide this first factor by 7. Here also divide this term by 7. How to write numerator? 7x square plus 2 root 14x plus 2 can be written as 7x plus 14 into again 7x plus root 14. Now for denominator, x square minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 16. This is also one quadratic expression in terms of x. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Square root of x square is x. Square root of 1 by 16 is 1 by 4. The sign of this expression is minus. So x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. This expression can be written as square root of x is square root of x square is x. Square root of 1 by 16 is 1 by 4. The sign of this expression is minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the sign is minus x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. This denominator fraction denominator expression x square minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 16 can be written as x minus 1 by 4 the whole square, since a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b the whole square. Therefore, square root of 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 16. This numerator can be written as 7x plus root 14 into 7x plus root 14. Denominator is x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. X minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 4. What is square root? Among these two terms, one term is answer. So 7x plus root 14 in denominator x minus 1 by 4 modulus. This is square root of this term. Now exercise 3.7 question number 2. Find the square root of the following. First subdivision 4x square plus 20x plus 25. First write the quadratic polynomial as the square root of first term is 2x. This first term can be written as 2x whole square. This is a square term. Last term is plus b square, that is 5 square. A square plus b square. This middle term can be written as 2ab. This is 2, formula 2. A is this 2x only. B is this 5. Sign is plus only. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Check the middle term. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20x. So this is last term 5 square is 25. 4x power x square can be written as 2x the whole square. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, the answer is a plus b the whole square. since a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Now our question is find the square root. So square root of 4x square plus 20x plus 25 is equal to 2x plus 5 the whole square root of. So write the half of the power of this expression. 2x plus 5 on the answer. Now exercise 3.7 question number 2. Find the square root of the following. Second subdivision. 9x square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 25z square plus 16y square. Write in standard form. That is right. First x square term 9x square. Next write y square term, that is plus 16y square. Next write z square term plus 25z square term. 25 is the square. Next write xy term. Xy is minus 24xy. Next write y is the term. Minus 40yz. Next write xz plus 30xz. Now write the square root of 9x square. No, 9x square can be written as 3x the whole square plus 16y square can be written as 4y the whole square plus 25z square can be written as 5z the whole square. Now consider this is a square plus b square plus c square. Next 2ab term. This 24 can be written as 2 into our a is right here plus 2 into this xy term is minus. So either one of the terms x or y term should be in minus. So x term is first term, therefore that is always positive. Let us take the y term as negative. So x term is what? 3x. 2ab is 3x. 2ab is here one minus, so write in this bracket minus. b is 4y. Now check, multiply these three terms. Here plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, x into y. Correctly keep. Therefore, the next step can also write plus 2ab term. Next 2bc term. 2 into b is, this is ab. Now clearly we know what is our b, what is our a. So this is 2bc term. b is minus 4y. Here only one minus. The minus is here. Next write c term. C is here only 5 is it. 2bc term. Now check 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, y is it. This minus. So correct. Next write 2ac term. This term is plus a is what? 3x. 2 into 3x. C term is 5z. Now check 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, xz. Both are positive. Therefore, this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now our b term is minus, so write the minus here. Minus 4y the whole square. In square, expand this form minus 4 our A is 3x minus 4y is our B. C is plus 5z whole square. Since A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square. This is our identity. Now our question is find the square root. So half of the power is a square root. Half of the power is 1. So write the square root. Therefore square root is equal to modulus of 3x minus 4y plus 5z. This is our answer. Now from exercise 3.7 question number 2, find the square root of the following. Third subdivision, 4x square minus 9x plus 2 into 7x square minus 13x minus 2 into 28x square minus 3x minus 1. These are quadratic terms, quadratic polynomial in terms of x. So write the factors for first polynomial. 4x square minus 9x plus 2 can be written as multiply this coefficient of x square and the constant term. 2 4s are 8 plus 8. Find the factors for that. Plus 8 is our multiplicative factor. Additive factor is coefficient of x is our additive factor. So minus 9. Now check. 2 4s are 8, but 2 plus 4 is 6. Here 9 only. So next factors 1 8s are 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Here plus minus means both the factors are minus. Write the bigger factor here. 8 1s are 8. So this is multiplicative factor. 8 1s are 8. Minus into minus plus. So that is correct. Now additive factor minus minus added to the same sign means 8 plus 1 9. That is minus 9. That is also correct. Now check the coefficient of x square. Other than 1 means divide that coefficient by 4. By 4. By 4. Now cancel here. 4 1 time, 4 2 times. So minus 4. Here minus 1 by 4 only. So the factors are x minus 2. This is quadratic in terms of x. So write x here. X this minus 2. Next factor is denominator is 4 into x minus numerator minus 1. These two are factors for this quadratic polynomial. Next one is 7x square minus 13x minus 2. Here also coefficient of x square is 7. So multiply this with this constant term. 2 7s are 14. This minus 14. Here additive factor is coefficient of x is minus 13. 2 7s are 14. So minus 14. Coefficient of x is minus 13. 14 1s are 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. Here minus means bigger factor is minus, smaller one is plus. Here minus means here only. This is always like the bigger factor. Here smaller factor here. So minus plus. 14 1s are 14. So minus into plus into minus. 14 1s are 14. This is multiplicative factor is correct. Now check this additive factor. One number is in minus, one number is in plus. Means subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 14. Here plus 1. So answer is minus 13. Our factors are correct. Now the coefficient of x square is 7. So divide the factors by 7. Here by 7. So cancel by 7 table 1 times, 2 times. So minus 2. This is first factor. Second one is plus 1 by 7. So this quadratic expression can be written as x minus 2. Second factor. Denominator write with x. 7x plus 1. Second polynomial over. Third polynomial is 28x square minus 3x minus 1. This is also quadratic in terms of x. 28 into 1 minus 28 minus 28 coefficient of x is minus 3. Here minus means there also minus means bigger factor minus smaller factor plus. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are minus into plus minus. 7 fours are 28. 7 minus 4 is minus 3. Here coefficient of x square is 28. So divide the factors by 28. Here also by 28. Cancel 7 1 time, 7 4 times. So first factor is minus 1 by 4. Here 1 time, 7 times plus 1 by 7. So how to write factors for this expression? 4x. Denominator is 4. 4x minus 1. Second factor, denominator 7. So 7x plus 1. So these are factors for this polynomial. Our question is find the square root of the following polynomial. The polynomial means this polynomial into this polynomial into this polynomial. Here factors are we found. Here 1 x minus 2, here 1 x minus 2. Among these x minus 2, 1 x minus 2 is square root. Here 1 4x minus 1, here 1 4x minus 1. Among these two, write one of the factor 4x minus 1. These two are common factors 7x plus 1. Here 7x plus 1. Among these two, write only one factor. So this can be written as 4x square minus 9x plus 2 into 7x square minus 13x minus 2 into 28x square minus 3x minus 1. This can be written as square symbol, right? For this expression, these two are factors. So x minus 2 with 4x minus 1 into, for this polynomial 7x square in minus 13x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 into 7x plus 1. For this polynomial, these two are factors. So into 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. Square root of. That is our question. So put the symbol. X minus 2, here 1 x minus 2. So write x minus 2 the whole square. Here 1 x, 4x minus 1. Here 1 4x minus 1. Therefore 4x minus 1 whole square. Next 7x plus 1. Here 1 7x plus 1. So 7x plus 1 the whole square. Square root of. So the answer is half of the powers are square root. Put one modulo symbol. Half of the power of this factor is x minus 2 power 1. Next factor 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. Modulus of this much. put out sums in your classwork notebooks and do these homework sums in your homework notebook. Homework sums are from exercise 3.7, from first question third subdivision, from second question fourth subdivision, example 3.19, example 3.20 are your homework sums. Thank you, students.